Hi, and welcome back to this episode on connecting Shopify with Enterprise. I'm Sharon from Enterprise, and in this session, we will simply look at how you can take your stock within Enterprise and upload that to Shopify, how to track the orders and invoices as they come through, or invoices as they come through from your Shopify store, and what your customers will see when they look at your store online. So let's get you started. So if we click here into the items menu and then go to the stock report. So this is a list of all your items that you already have identified within Enterprise. So very simply, you can see here as we go across the top of the screen, we've got the third column here will identify any items that are relevant to Shopify. So let's look at how easy it is and simple it is to just upload a product to Shopify. So this product here, if I select this item here and scroll down to the bottom of the screen, down the bottom of the screen here, I get an option here for Shopify. I can then choose the store that it's relevant to. So if you have more than one store, you can choose the store that you want to upload the item to. Then I can click on Add and upload products to Shopify, confirm. So item successfully updated. And we can see here that the icon for Shopify is now beside that particular item. And of course, the stock report itself is a world of information that gives you all your inventory management at first glance. So giving you your on-hand stock, your quantity, on order available stock, any total available in all warehouses and so forth, pricing, and you can obviously look at items in regards to their specific price list. So now let's look at what happens when we look at these items on your Shopify store. So check out the next video on monitoring your items within your Shopify store and selling online and what happens with the orders and payments as they come through Enterprise. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to reach out to support here on the chat or check out our help articles on help.enterprise.com in the Help Center. Thank you for watching.